Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? Now we're showing video how to fix Huawei Nova 3i after water damage LCD backlight not working. In this video you can fix without changing LCD after water damage if not working LCD backlight and phone is working normally but no LCD no backlight. I am showing video how to fix Nova 3i after water damage, no LCD backlight, no LCD. I connected charger but phone is charging, LCD showing image in screen but no LCD backlight. I press power on, phone is power on normally without LCD, without image, without LCD backlight. All phone, if after water damage, phone is running but no LCD, without broken, you can fix your phone without changing LCD. Like my video one jumper, if you can well fix this phone, any phone after water damage. I checked the LCD connector first pin but no value there, no reading, and near the capacitor of have a volt value because water damage are too much dirty and too much carbon are cut at the line. Look there, first pin no value. I make jumper now, this from capacitor. I check it first pin, no value by ammeter. After water damage, if your phone LCD connector is first pin are broken or too much carbon in, you cannot replace it and too much hard to changing the LCD connector. So no need to change LCD connector, you can fix it without changing LCD flat and LCD like a jumper. I want to save my customer original LCD without changing LCD because expensive or we cannot find it original LCD in market available. I'm making jumper from capacitor, the lighting capacitor. I make one jumper. Remember, if your phone is LCD first pin is have a reading phi value, phi voltage, no need to make jumper like this. Just you can jumper from capacitor to LCD connector. Look, I make like the jumper. You can fix it without changing your LCD like the jumper. Okay, now we check our original LCD working or no. It's great. Now charging icon showing on screen. I think it's now working. Wait few seconds. Yes, done. All any brand's phone after water damage, especially it's common problem, LCD backlight problem, no LCD after water damage, all brand phones, because after water damage are shorted on 4.5 volt on the screen lighting, first pin or second pin. Now working my phone. So guys, if you like my video, you can subscribe my channel to get more info. Bye bye.